Today we're making my daughter's favorite vegetarian meal, Parmesan pan-fried gnocchi. When we first tried this dish, it was from a HelloFresh kit, and we've been hooked on it ever since. She wants to make it all the time, so we're making this about once a month at least in our house. And y'all, we are still unpacking. You know, one thing about moving is that you forget how much work it is until you have to do it again. The unpacking, the painting, the cleaning, the organizing and reorganizing, it's just a lot. So bear with us. We're getting it together, but in the meantime, Sadie Mama needs to learn how to cook.
Spinach goes down really fast. It's small, so you can all the bags.
Now initially we weren't going to record this video, so I didn't record the pan frying of the gnocchi, but after we started cooking, Sadie asked me if I was recording, so we started recording after I already cooked that. The kitchen has always been a place my daughter wanted to be, but because of her autism and boundaries, safety didn't come naturally. So it's been a challenge, but also a huge opportunity. I made the kitchen a positive space for her, a place where she could learn instead of being pushed away.
What are you doing, honey? Master Chef Canada? It's not, it's, you gotta do it faster. Boom, boom. Look, watch. See, mommy? Yeah. You gotta shake it back and forth. That's okay, it's in the pan, right? Yeah. Try it again. There you go, Master Chef. Good job.
Being in the kitchen and not being pushed away from the kitchen has given her so much confidence. She's trying new foods, she's learning skills that she can actually use one day, even when mommy isn't there. These are things like learning what food is, how does it grow, the smells, the touches, the sensations in the kitchen, as well as just how to use a knife and fork properly. One of the biggest fears for special needs parents is wondering, how will they take care of themselves when we're gone? That's always in the back of our minds. So this matters. Every meal we make together is part of her independence, her growth. And now we're just adding the Parmesan fried gnocchi pieces back into the pot. Crispy, creamy, and kid approved. Cheers to learning new things with our special neuro-spicy brains. Different wiring, different abilities, and a whole lot of love in the kitchen. Catch you in the next video.